Real name Syed Imran Abbas Naqvi, Neelam Munir Khan. Nickname Imran, Neelam. Date of birth 15 October 1982, 20 March 1992. Age 41 years plus, 31 years plus. Birthplace Islamabad, Pakistan, Mardan, Pakistan. Height 6 feet 5 feet 6 inch. Weight 75 kg 55 kg. Professions actor, model, singer, presenter, actress, model. Active year 2003 peasant, 2008 peasant. Famous role Hamad, Khuda aur Mohabbat, Ulfat, Dil maa ka diya. Religion Islam, Islam. Nationality Pakistani, Pakistani. Imran Abbas married, wife name Alina Abbas. Marital status unmarried, Neelam Munir single. Imran Abbas family photo. Neelam Munir family photo. Education qualification Graduation Civil Engineering Architecture, Graduate. Jyodik Singh. Libra, Pisces. Hobbies singing, swimming, cardio, reading, driving, traveling. Favorite destination Karbala in Iraq, London. Per episode salary 2 lakh plus, 1.2 lakh plus. Net worth 20 crore plus, 15 crore plus. Debut in TV Umrao Janada, Jalpadi. Awards 4 plus, 3 plus. Favorite food boiled eggs, pizza, chocolate. Favorite sports not available, cricket. Favorite actor Amitabh Bachchan, Amir Khan, Salman Khan, Hrithik Roshan, Salman Khan. Favorite actress Madhuri Dixit, Alia Bhatt, Kangana Ranaut. Followers Instagram 8.3 million plus, 7.1 million plus. Twitter 225.4k plus, 11.8k plus. Facebook 1 million plus, 4.4 million plus. YouTube not available, 43.6k plus.